Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we're going to continue with our Pandas series that we began earlier. If you are new to this series or you are new to this channel, well, welcome back to Code with Prince. So this channel is all about programming, Python, machine learning, data visualization, and stuff like that. So if you are interested in such stuff, I kindly request you to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell in case I post new content. You'll be the first one to be notified. So let's get started with today's tutorial. So today's tutorial we'll be talking about group by in Pandas. So group by, what group by is usually used to do is used to group data, right? Just what it says it does. It is used to group data into blocks. Okay. So I'll go ahead and actually import the data set that we were using the previous time. So if you know to read CSV files into Pandas data frames, you can go ahead and actually check the very second tutorial of this series we did we talked about how to read CSV files into Pandas data frames. So now that you have read that, you can just go into df and then we can see what we have right there. So we have that. I just want to get the head, so head, and then I want to get the first three rows, right? So I got the first three rows back. So now that you have done that, let's go ahead and actually see how we can group all of this data based on the species, because iris dataset has, I think, 3 species: iris setosa, virginica, and the other one. So you can just see how we can group them into different groups based on their species. So to do that, you can just say I'll just call this gb group by, and then we can go say df dot group. So it's group by, and then in here we need to provide what we want it to group by. So we want to group by the species column, right? So we have to copy this exactly as it is. So copy that and paste it here. So group by species, and then you can run that. So you can just go and do gb, and then we can see we have that, right? This is just a data frame group by object. Okay. So now to actually see this, you can just say the sum. So you can see the sum of each of those stuff that you have grouped by. So we have grouped them into groups, and you have to simply just printing out the sum of each group. So you can have iris setosa, iris versicolor, and then virginica, right? So this is their value. So setosa has setosa. So it's, we group it into groups, right? So we can find this group has a total of 253 whenever you add up all the simple line columns for setosa, and the same applies to all the other individual columns. So that's how you can group by certain values. So for example, if we group by this dataset doesn't actually have numbers, but if we other categorical values. So if you group by many categorical values, and you'll be able to work with the values just like this. So this is all I wanted to talk about in this tutorial. So see you in the next tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll be discussing how to work with wait first, we'll just see it in the next tutorial. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please, if you are new to this channel, I kindly ask you to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. So that is one of the ways you can really support me, because I really put in a lot of effort making these videos. So you can kindly share my videos, like this video, and hit the subscribe button. Yeah, so thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Keep safe.